Our second runner-up is
our second runner-up is from Manila, Julian Concepcion.
Congratulations to our second runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen,
from Manila, Julian Concepcion.
mga kaibigan, dalawa na lang ang natitira at isa sa kanilang hihirangin bilang Miss International Queen Philippines 2024. We are first going to be calling on our first runner-up. And our first runner-up will be presented by Mr. Tay Indencia, Ms. Michelle Montecarlo, and Ms. Alyssa Bantusa.
And the Miss International Queen Philippines 2024 will be awarded by Miss International Queens Philippines 2023, Queen Lars Pacheco. Together with Queen Solange Decker and of course our National Director, Miss Michelle Montecarlo.
Ladies and gentlemen, two queens, one crown. Kanino mapupunta ang corona tonight? Parinig ng inyong mga babago!
Will it be Davao Oriental Niña Marie Similatan?
Or will it be Laguna Sofia Ardaman? Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we are first going to be calling on our first runner-up.
Ibig sabihin, kapag hindi natawag ang pangalan mo, you will take home the crown.
That is right.
Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up is...
Congratulations. You have made all of us proud. Davao Oriental Niña Marie Similatan!
Ibig sabihin, Miss Laguna Sofia Ardaman is our Miss International Queen Philippines 2024!
Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations once again to our first runner-up from Davao Oriental, Niña Marie Similatan.
And our new queen from Laguna, Sofia Ardaman. She is our Miss International Queen Philippines 2024.
What a wonderful, wonderful journey this has been for our winner. Ladies and gentlemen, finally, we now have our newest Miss International Queen Philippines 2024. Give it up for Laguna, Sofia Ardaman!
Again, our winner will receive 1.5 million pesos worth of cash and prizes. She will also be the representative of our country, the Philippines, in the upcoming Miss International Queen 2024.
That's right, the pageant will be held this coming June. Kaya naman, malapit-lapit na, we are asking and requesting for your full support for our new Philippine representative to the Miss International Queen Crown.